What's up, guys? How's it going? I got a few things that I just got in the mail today, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Just want to say shout out to, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Piolk, Piolk. I think it's an I. Hold on, let me check. So they're so it is Piolk Design. Piolk Design. I'll put the link or their Instagram right here down below. But I want to say shout out to those guys because they sent me a little gift, and I want to show you guys what they sent me. Hell yeah, some stickers. So they sent me some stickers. That's their logo right there. And they sent me an e-brake, like a drift button. Shout out to them. I didn't pay a single dollar. They were admiring my car and they asked if I could show you guys like their design and stuff. I think they even show descriptions too. Removal. Engage the handbrake using the included protection strip to cover the factory button grip, firmly locking it with pliers. So today I'm gonna be installing the drift button. I had one on my other car, but it was like some eBay one, so I actually like this one too. They have like multiple of them. They have like a spiky one, like a spike looking one, but this one looks pretty clean. Yeah, it almost looks like the stock, but yeah, I actually like it. It's pretty cool. Hopefully it fits. And yeah, I would probably have to change up my entire interior and everything because I'm getting old of the gold, and yeah, I think it's time to move on. This box is pretty legit. Shout out to them for setting those the drift button in. I really appreciate it. It's pretty cool. Never really got anything for free, randomly too. At first I thought he was just some scam or something, but shout out to you guys. On here, it's cool how they set in like directions and stuff, but they give you this grip so you could. They say pliers, but I usually on my other one I use the vice grips because it's more like stronger. And yeah, so basically you just put the grip around the old e-brake button, and then you just clamp it so it doesn't scratch or ruin it. So yeah, it's like a little rubber grip. And then you just put it around, and then you, for the IS300s, well, most cars actually, you just grip it on there, and then you twist it counterclockwise, basically like you're unscrewing a screw or a bolt. I meant. So you basically put the grip on. I'm gonna put the vice grips on. Hopefully they're not too tight. Sketch. So you put the grip on and then you grip it. Oh. Grip it. Tighten it. Just 2 moves. Honestly, you don't really care about this stock one, but I'm gonna have this. I might as well use it. Oh, that's way too tight. This is loosening, right? Hope so. Oh fuck, I cracked it. Fuck him. I think maybe you guys should use pliers, don't use vice grips. I don't even know where my pliers are, honestly. And you just twist this bitch off like so. Well, can't use that anymore. And then you twist this bitch on. Hopefully it's the right threading for the IS. Bruh. I think the threading's way too big. Oh, there we go. Yo, this shit's sick. Let's just let this in. There you guys go. It's a really simple mod. Everything works fine. I wouldn't really say it's like a drift button, because usually my old one on my old IS, all you gotta do is pull it up, and then you could always like do that, but this one just locks right away. But a little cheap, classy mod. I like it. And then it matches with my entire car because it's all chrome. And probably gonna get a different shift knob, steering wheel. Thanks to the guys over at I honestly don't know how to pronounce it. Piolk Designs. Thank you guys for the little e-brake button. But yeah, it's super clean and I really recommend it. So go head to their website or head to their Instagram. I'll put it right down here below. And hit them up for your fucking e-brakes, because they're fucking clean. They also have like some spiky ass ones, and I got this one because my last one was a spiky one, so I like it. It's super clean. It feels really comfortable too. Like if my fucking thumb fits like perfectly onto the fucking button, perfect. And it's like the same color and ripped to my stock. Damn, that shit was fucked up. But yeah. Thank you guys. Outfit, holy shit. Show them what you got, bro. Get in the sun, I can't even see. Oh. your dirty ass shoe, your laces.
I wasn't gonna wear
Louis,
my clean
though.
ones in case.
That's your Louis Vuitton, homie. Fucking rep. Yo, check it out. Check the e-brake out. It's pretty tight. Sit in it. Bro, I thought it was a drift button. It's not a drift button.
Yeah, it is. Fool, you didn't take the spring out.
Oh, shit.
Fucking God.
Alright guys, so it is a drift button. It's just, I was a dumbass, because last time Dallas installed mine, I totally forgot to take out the spring. So, all you gotta do is take out the spring.
You got a flathead?
Yeah, let me get a flathead.
I know you got like 1,000 screwdrivers, but nothing else.
Check out my screwdriver collection, guys. All screwdrivers. Oh, not that one. More screwdrivers. You need a flathead? Oh, that ain't a flathead. Jeez, where are all the flatheads at? Let me see that. So here's the spring you have to take out. My dumbass forgot to take it out.
Nah, bro, it's not a drift button, remember?
You're a fool. So now I'm pretty sure you could do it now.
Pretty.
This fool's hair.
Dude, ow, fuck.
Alright.
Is your car gonna roll?
No, it's not. Do it. No, it works! Yeah?
Just in case.
Spring gear. Pull it up.
Oh, I think it's stuck. Just kidding.
And then to engage the e-brake, you just push it up. Hey, litty. Thanks, Dallas. Fucked up again. That was the drift button, so it's pretty cool. Shout out to those guys for sending it out to me. But yeah, if you guys are interested, just hit up their Instagram. Clean now. I think it's just too bad I'm not drifting this car, or maybe we'll see. Take it out of gear and then push it up to engage the e-brake. Make sure it's tight, and yeah, it's super comfortable. I really recommend it. Focus. I like the flat one. Spiky ones that I had before, it wasn't really that comfortable, but I guess the spiky one was just for looks, you know. But yeah, other than that, I really recommend it. Thank you guys. That'll probably be the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys actually like that drift button. It's pretty cool, but I'm not really drifting with that car, obviously. And if you guys haven't hit up the website, please go visit the website and support your boy. I'll put the link right here. And yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. And I totally forgot to tell you guys the update on the daily. I haven't gotten a call from insurance yet because it's the weekend and they're closed, you know. So I'll probably be getting a call Monday, Tuesday, probably sometime next week. But still shopping for a car, don't know yet, and probably like I'm looking for the same chassis, of course, the IS300. I was thinking of a LS400 or LS430. I'm not sure. Not really going to the big bodies yet because it's really expensive. More like VIP, but I really do miss driving an IS300 daily. And yeah, let me know down in the comments below what car you guys think I should get. Honestly, I kind of regret selling my 5-speed daily for the wagon because that was my daily and drift car kinda. And I only took it to one event and it was fucking fun. And low-key regret that because I kind of miss driving stick every day. But then again, I don't because I always run into traffic after work. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what car I should get next. But right now, I'm kind of leaning still to the IS300s. But right now, it's not looking that great because all the IS300s are either overpriced, they're either salvage title, and a lot of miles, pretty much. Thank you again, guys, for watching this video, and support your boy. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Thanks, guys.